Like a queen, like a queen, like a queen upon her throne.
Hey girlfriends, do you love cute styles like these, but you dread wash day and you hate searching those complicated styles on YouTube? I do too, girl, but this is the video for you. Watch how I cut my wash and styling day in half by using Naturalicious Hello Gorgeous 3-step hair care system. Imagine getting 12 products wrapped up beautifully in 3 steps. Don't believe me? Then just keep watching. This wash day finna be a breeze. This is a very lazy day and I really don't want to be bothered with my hair, but I need to wash it. So I want this to be a fast and lazy wash day in style. The goal of this wash day is to get my hair fully washed and cleansed and moisturized in less than 30 minutes. My hair is really thick, so it takes a while when I shampoo, deep condition, and condition my hair, all of that. It takes a while, I would say about an hour, to get that whole washing process done. So I section off my hair into 4 sections. That helps me go about saturating my hair with water easily and getting the product on. And I'm just going through and finger detangling, and I don't have to do as much because my hair was stretched from the flat twist. I am so happy about this Naturalicious Hello Gorgeous hair care system. Like I said earlier, there are 3 steps, and this is the first step, the mother of all steps. It's a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, a detangler, and leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to start my timer just to show y'all how all of these products in this one product help cut my wash day. It took a little over 3 minutes for me to saturate all 4 sections of my hair. And I'm going to go in with step 1, and that's the Moroccan Rasoul 5-in-1 clay treatment for tight curls and coils. This one bottle does the work of 5 products. It's a detoxifying cleanser, a smoothing conditioner, and an effortless detangler, and a deep conditioner, all while doing the work of a leave-in conditioner. That's bomb, right? I add a good dime size, quote unquote, dime size amount to my hair from ends to root, and then I just smooth that in using the praying hand method, and then I apply some of the product on my scalp also by just reaching my fingers in my hair and just massaging my scalp. The Moroccan Rasoul 5-in-1 clay treatment also includes some of my favorite oils: olive oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado oil. Now, because this 5-in-1 does the work of all those products, it cuts my wash time in half. Wash day! And I am done rinsing out all the product in just 15 minutes and 25 seconds, y'all. Can y'all believe that? Not only is my scalp, roots, and strands clean without that stripped feeling, the Moroccan Lava Rasoul clay brought life back to my coils. Y'all like that finger snap magic, don't y'all? Step number 1 got us out the way, but step number 2 is the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream. It's a moisturizer, a styling cream, and a heat protectant. So as you can see, I blow dried my hair out. So I applied some of this cream before I started blow drying it out. And then the third step is the Naturalicious Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter. Yes, honey, you need all 3 steps. All 3. I told y'all this is a lazy wash day and style day. So this style is for all my lazy naturals. After applying the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream and then sealing that off with the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter, I flat twist the side portions of my hair back on both sides. And once I twist that all the way down to the end, I'm going to pull it up and pin it towards the middle of my head. Now for me, that part was the least laziest part of this styling process. The front of my head, I'm just going to do simple, flat twists forward, and it's going to be 4 of them. So I'm going to go in with that Moisture Infusion Styling Cream, which is also, like I said, not only a styling cream, but a moisturizer. And then I'm going to seal that moisture off with the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter. What I love about this hair oil is that you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a frizz fighter, a moisture lock and sealant, and a finishing oil. So that means that every step in the Hello Gorgeous hair care system, you have at least 3 things you could get out of that one bottle. I don't know about y'all, but that might be the cure to my product junkie epidemic. The combination of the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream and the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter adds the perfect balance of softness to your hair. So as you're flat twisting down, just know that your flat twist out is going to be soft, bomb, and popping. And for those naturalistas who have that no heat policy, this style will be achievable on wet or damp hair. You don't have to blow dry your hair out for this one. That was just my preference, and I felt like it came out extra cute. So I bet you're wondering what we're going to do with the back. No, we're not going to flat twist. As you can see, I'm not even using a comb. I'm just taking portions of my hair, adding the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream, and then sealing that moisture off with the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter, and then I'm going to 2-strand twist all the way down. And these are medium to chunky 2-strand twists. If you're feeling extra lazy, just go ahead and make them big. Girlfriends, please note that I did this style on dry hair, blow dry hair, so this style will dry a lot faster than me doing it on wet hair. So this is how the style looks after I've twisted my hair all the way up. That's the back and that's the front. And I'm just going to pin those little twist fingers out my face so I can, throw some makeup on and try to look cute. I sat under my dryer for about 45 minutes, but lucky for me, the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream is also a heat protectant. Look at that soft and defined twist out. You go, girl. As I'm taking my hair down, notice that it's coming down so easily and it's just falling down, letting the gravity take the weight of it. And I didn't experience really any frizz, actually no frizz at all. My hair remained moisturized even though I sat underneath the dryer, which is a plus, and it still stayed soft and there was not much product buildup. Taking down the flat twist in my front is just the easiest. Look how I'm just one-handing it, and that separation from the flat twist is gorgeous. Y'all, that Moisture Infusion Styling Cream has my hair looking and feeling like puffs of clouds. I think that's the ultimate go, especially for our 4C tight curly hair girls. I'm going to separate the back just to give a more fuller look. I think I separated about 2 or 3 times around the whole back section of the defined twist out. Because the front was flat twist, there really is no need to separate, as when you're taking your hair down, you are actually separating while untwisting those flat twists. So that takes a step away, which makes it an even more lazy day. I wanted the front section of my hair to fall towards my left side, so I added a few bobby pins just to give it that extra oomph and have it fall over towards my left eye. Fluffing your hair is not necessary, but y'all all know I love big hair. The bigger the better. So I'm gonna go ahead and fluff the back of that. I had to grab my mirror real quick because I am obsessed with these gold metallic bobby pins, and I thought that my hair needed a little bit of uniqueness to it, so I just added to the horizontal way, and it looks great. The Naturalicious Hello Gorgeous 3-step hair care system not only brought life back to my hair, but it brought life back to my wash and style day. I actually finished in enough time to go show off my day 1 style, y'all. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you really like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you later, girlfriends.